Hey, what the? Come on out. I got a bus for you.
Come on.
Yeah, we're going in style.
Come on.
Yeah, we got a bus. So that went good. Right? Dad, today is a very special day. We're not just celebrating retirement, we're celebrating a lifetime of hard work and sacrifice, and incredible dedication. He didn't just build a business. He built a reputation for doing things the right way, for treating customers like neighbors, for taking care of people. Taking care of people. Dad, you taught us all what it means to work hard, keep your word, and never cut corners. You showed us what real leadership looks like before anyone put a title on it. I'm not here to replace him. No one could. I'm here to protect the values that he instilled in me, to carry the torch, to keep the company strong for the next generation. Dad, thank you for trusting me with something you spent your life creating. Thank you for being my teacher, my mentor, my example. You earned this moment. You deserve every minute of it. Congratulations, Dad. We love you, and thank you for 47 incredible years.
What the heck? You know, you guys, too much, way too much. I didn't need all this. I thank God for it, but I didn't need all this. The Bible says, whatever your hand finds to do it with all your might, and you do that. I see you do that. My challenge to each and every one of you here today, do your best to get in the center of what God has for you and get ready for the ride of your life.